Decision about customers. There are 5 steps of the consumer decision making process. So whenever the customer he plans of making certain decision to buy certain product which has to be analyzed by the CRM process. So what are the basic 5 steps involved? First is the problem recognition. Recognize the need for the service or the product. So what is the actual need for a particular product? That analysis has to be done, that how much the customer is interested in the product or in the service. So first of all, the problem has to be recognized. Second, information search. We have to, or the customer has to gather the information, understand the information related to the product. Then alternatives evaluation. The customer he weighs the choices against comparable alternatives, that what are alternatives of the product or the services they are available. So he will gather them and he will weigh the choices, that which is the best choice for him. Next would be purchase decision. Then he will make the actual purchase of the product. Later on, it will be post purchase evaluation, which will reflect on the purchase the customers have made. So basically, for a consumer decision making process, the decision that the customer has to make, they have to follow these basic steps. Or we can say, using CRM, we can understand these steps and help them evaluate them. First is the problem recognition. Second is the information search. Third is the alternative evaluation. Fourth is the purchase decision. And the fifth one is a post purchase evaluation of the product. Talking about CRM in customer decision. We have seen that how the step by step the customer decision making process takes place. Now we will understand how the CRM helps in the customer decision. So one of the most important feature of CRM is its lead sourcing aspect, which allows you to know how every lead has arrived at your business, the urgency of every need, and the response rate from the client's end as well. We have seen that this lead, following the lead, this is an important ingredient of CRM. So we have to understand from this where this lead has arrived and what is the urgency of that thing, and what is the response rate from the client end, that if a person he has just given a lead, he has just let us say clicked on certain products, so that is a form of lead. Now what is going to be the response rate? Will the customer purchase that product, or he's just doing this uh, he's just surfing it? So that lead has to be analyzed. Making decision, it become easier once you know which source is offering useful and effective leads. So the CRM application, they enable you to better manage the data, use it to analyze and forecast the trend and the customer behavior, and embed it in your future business strategies. Once we understand the behavior of a customer, we can forecast the trends, we can forecast their choices, and according to that, we can make the future business strategies. So, as a result, CRM, it offers you an overview of your customers and your business in relation to the business goals, profitability, and the sales. So most importantly, CRM, it empowers you to build positive customer experiences based on the relevant real-time information that matters for your business. So if today we want to prosper, since today this is the era of digitization, everything today we are not every time going to the malls and making purchases. We are doing online shoppings. So these kind of application, if we are doing this online shopping, they all can rely on the data of the customer. If a person he goes to mall, he buys something, if these are the regular customer, so then it is easy for the people of the mall or the seller of the mall to analyze their interest. But if they are not that kind of regular customers, so the analysis about their choices or their trends become difficult. But today, since we are talking about this digital platform, these online shopping apps, so in that case, understanding the behavior of the data, understanding the behavior of the customer, this has become an important thing nowadays. So that since there are number of applications going on nowadays running onto our mobile platforms, but are they all succeeding? No, they are all not succeeding. Which organization are succeeding more? Who are working on understanding the behavior of the customer, who are doing all this analysis of the data about the customer and providing them their choices, providing them the things that they prefer. So CRM, it helps a lot in in helping the customer take decisions for their product. Now coming to the last topic, that is business intelligence and financial information. Financial business intelligence, it is a term which is used to describe the methods to collect the process and analyze the financial data from the databases in real time and make better business decisions with the help of professional financial business intelligence software. So financial business intelligence, if we say today, it describes various methods to collect and analyze the financial data from the databases in real time. Financial directors who keep up with the times and use business intelligence in financial services and thereby automate the reporting and reduce the amount of manual and routine work in the activities of the financial departments. They control all processes in the company and are engaged in strategic planning and business development, and they are the right hand of the CEO and the owners. And their assistant, who is the assistant here? The business intelligence system that collect, analyze and integrate the disparate data from all IT systems into understandable reports. So this business intelligence software, they basically collect information from different data sources, and they after collecting this information, do all the cleaning tasks, transform it into a proper format, and so that it can be loaded into the data warehouses, and from those data warehouses understandable reports can be generated. So the whole set of thing or the assistant that is running behind these financial services is again our business intelligence system. So with this, we end with this unit 5. In this particular unit, we have all discussed what is the data warehouse, how are we using this data warehouse in the development of ERP, CRM and BI, and what are the main usage of all these software tools. So with this, we finish with our unit 5.